The Zeo anti-aging program is one of our most popular kits at Face Doctor, and that's because it has a full-size growth factor serum in it. So it makes the kit itself really good value. Within the kit, you get an exfoliating cleanser at 60 ml. You get a travel size exfoliating polish to be used once or twice a week at your own preference. Then 30 complexion renewal pads, a 30 ml daily power defense, which is our absolute hero product for hydration and barrier repair. And then to follow that, your full size growth factor serum. Growth factor is a really amazing ingredient for anti-aging. It's plant-based and it's really supportive of cellular turnover, but without creating any anticipated reaction in the skin, such as redness, dryness or flaking that some people can get with retinol. So it's a great introductory product for anti-aging or for people that can't tolerate retinol. And often we call growth factor the training wheels for retinol, so people in their 20s and 30s who want to start looking after their skin and promoting optimum skin health without yet progressing onto retinol.